In the previous video, we learned how to utilize comparison operators in an if-else statement. Now, we will learn that you can add more conditions in one single program. Aside from the comparison operators, Java also has a logical operator, which are and or. And is represented by two ampersand operators, and or is represented by two bars, like this. To illustrate this, let's create a program where we will identify the weather based on the input temperature and print out some suggestions. So let's create another class and name it weather program. Once loaded, let's create a plan. First, ask the user for the temperature in degrees Celsius. And then check if the temperature is between 0 to 15 and print it's very cold outside. Make sure you wear your thick clothes and gloves. If degrees is between 16 to 23, then print weather is nice outside. Go out and have fun. If it's between 24 to 30, it's a bit cold outside. Wear some cap and bring umbrella. If 31 to 40, then print better stay at home, it's too hot outside. Else for other input. So let's start coding. Import the scanner class and instantiate it. Next is to let the user know what to input. Accept the user's input and assign it to variable name degrees as int. Again, we'll use nextInt method since we need an int value. Since we need a condition that can handle a range of values, we should use logical operator like AND. So our condition should be degrees is greater than equal to 0 and degrees less than or equal to 15. This means values from 0 to 15. Then copy lang natin tong text dito. Since may error, press backspace para isang line lang itong string natin. But since sobrang haba, I will bring this down. So I'll just press enter key. As you can see, NetBeans will add the symbol plus symbol for concatenating strings. Next is range from 16 to 23. Since we still need a condition, we need another if. Pero since isang if lang ang pwede, we will use else if. So type else if degrees is greater than equal to 16 and degrees is less than equal to 23. And then print the string. So this condition will test if the input is equal or greater than 16 and less than or equal to 23. So I will let you proceed and do the rest of the conditions. Tapos na? So I'll continue my program. Lastly, for the else, this will accept any value na wala sa conditions natin, like negative numbers less than 0 and numbers greater than 40. Now let's test our code. Try to input 28. So here's the result. Input 1 million. Then negative value. So again, since we used the AND operator, your both conditions should derive to true before the whole condition derives to true. So for example, ang input is 29. The compiler will check first dito sa first condition sa if. So 29 is greater than or equal to 0, true. And 29 is less than or equal to 15, that's false. So the final result of this condition is false. Kasi kapag gumamit ka ng AND operator, dapat all the conditions will derive to true. Kapag may isang false na result, the final result will be false as well. Kasi nga, AND operator ang gamit. So compiler will go to the next condition. 29 is greater than equal to 16, true. And 29 is less than equal to 23, false. So the final result of this condition is again false. So the compiler will go down to the next condition. 29 is greater than 24, and which is true, and 29 is less than equal to 30 is also true. So the final result for this condition is true. Itong text na to ang magpiprint. This compiler won't be testing the other conditions na kasi may nag-derive na ng true condition. So that's how this structure works. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.